Hello friends, welcome to my channel. Today I will teach you some phrasal verbs which can be used in day-to-day life. So let's begin now. Don't forget to subscribe this channel. These phrases are useful while talking about yourself and family life. Today's first phrase is to bring up somebody. Meaning of this phrase is to look after children until they become adults. Now let's look at some examples. Let's look at the first example to see how this phrase can be used. She's bringing up 4 children on a teacher's salary. Second example to use this phrase. We were brought up to be polite. Today's second phrase is to come from somewhere. Meaning of this phrase is to be from a place or a thing. First example to see how we can use this phrase. Where do you come from? Let's learn from second example to see how this phrase can be used. I think this sofa came from a friend's house. Third phrase of the day is to grow up. Meaning of this phrase is to become older or more mature. Example sentence for this phrase will be she grew up in London. Today's fourth phrase is to move in. Meaning of this phrase is to start living in a new house. Let's look at the example for this phrase. We bought a new flat and we move in next week. Fifth phrase of the day is to move out. Meaning of this phrase is to leave the place you're living in. One good example sentence for this phrase is when they split up he agreed to move out. Sixth phrase of the day is to turn into. Meaning of this phrase is to become a different type of person. Let's look at the example to see how this phrase can be used. In the story, she kisses a frog, and the frog turns into a prince.